Hey guys, my name is Sahil and welcome back to another video. So cutting everything short, today we are going to prepare a very high vegetarian protein sandwich that you are gonna love. So let's go directly to the kitchen and start preparing them.
So I have some chopped onions, some green capsicum, sliced tomatoes, iceberg lettuce, the Greek yogurt, and boiled hot chickpeas or white chole. That is the main ingredient here. For the initial start, I have put the chickpeas in the bowl and start mashing it. Now adding the onions, some green capsicum, salt, chaat masala, amchur, chole masala, and finally the Greek yogurt. Mixing it thoroughly and then we will have the filling ready. On the other hand, I have the multigrain bread pieces which I will toast in the toaster. And after it's toasted, I simply put the lettuce on it, then sliced tomatoes, the filling, and again the lettuce with covering toasted bread. And now the delicious yet healthy sandwich is ready. Talking about the nutritional value, it has approx 23 grams of protein, 41 grams of carbs, and 14 grams of fats.
If you really like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. So signing off, it was great seeing you guys. See you in my next video.